You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, how to say sugar, sugar in Spanish. Let's break it down. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciation, stay tuned. Azúcar in Spain, the Z is pronounced like TH, azúcar. You do want to stress on the U in the middle because it has an accent on it, azúcar. Now, in other Spanish-speaking countries, like in South or Central America, Mexico, Argentina, it's generally pronounced as azúcar, with the Z pronounced like an S. So, azúcar or azúcar. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.